everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through with easy step-to-step tutorial on how to redeem Etsy gift card online using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box appearing at the very top of the screen, type in www.etsy.com/redeem and press enter. You will end up in this page where you can easily redeem your gift card. You will receive your Etsy gift card and Etsy credits by email with a unique code. Some Etsy gift card may be printed and physically delivered to the recipient. Simply enter the code that you received via email, or if you have the gift card right on your hand, your gift code number will be available at the back of your gift card. Simply type in your gift card number and finally click on the Apply Now button. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll need to sign into your account for Etsy.com as well. On the next page, enter your login information, and once you follow the instructions well, you'll be able to redeem your gift card online with Etsy.com. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.